Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like gradient smudge text effect on Photoshop. So to do that, you're just going to add your text here. I'm just going to write gradient. Oops, there's still some text that, okay, hold on. Let me just delete that. Okay, there you go. And I'm going to make the text smaller so you guys can see. And once you're done, you're just going to then go here and then select gradient. And you're going to choose the color of it. Maybe this, or you can like choose, like you can like create a rainbow color too. So I'm just going to do that with this one. So I'm just going to change the colors of the gradient to like a sort of rainbow color-ish. There's no green, hold on. Green, blue, and like purple. I'm just going to do it that way. And I'm just going to select OK. Then I am going to choose saturation for the blend mode. Then I'm going to go to the text and I'm going to then find the smudge, which is here, smudge tool, and select it and press OK. And then if you smudge it, as you can see, there's going to be like a rainbow kind of color. You can smudge it. It's up to you like how you like smudge it. I'm just doing it randomly because if I try to make this perfect, it's gonna take a long time. But that's how you can like have like this gradient smudge on your text in Photoshop. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!